Alright, man. Fireworks are starting. So many people around here.
This is a gift or two. One of them is this. They have the power to make a wish come true.
Starlight, starlight,
Videoception. Look at this. That looks so cool. And this one comes in.
Don't believe that. About a wish come true, do you? Well, I didn't either. Of course, I'm just praying. But let me tell you what really changed my mind. You see, the most fantastic, magical things can happen. And it all starts with a wish.
Tinkerbell? Look at that. She's flying.
I wish
I can show you the world.
You know, any wish is possible.
Right.
All it takes is a little courage to set it free.
Dang. That was nice.
Especially when it comes from the Lord. She brings to those who love.